add a function called getName to the Razor page in the first exercise, that is no backing class. In the first exercise we had no backing class. The function has a return type of string and returns your name. Now display your name by calling the above function. So basically we have to add a function and call it. Now how do we add a function? One method is that you create a code block and inside it you write your function as we write in any class: string get name and return your name, anything, and that will be a function, but this will be called a local function. This is called a local function. So this is one concept. The second is, if you want to add a function to your backing class, you want to add properties, then add function. This add function block is used, and then you can write public void, whatever you want to write. These functions will be added to your backing class. So right now we don't have a backing class, so we can write our function in a simpler way by simply using the code block. So if you have to write a function in your single file only, then this is a temporary way of writing a function and it is a good way. But if you want to add a function to your backing class, you have a backing class and you have functions there and you have properties there. If you want to add that, in that case you will use this add function. So both will serve our purpose in the current case. So let us do it right now. So this is the project, the pages folder, the single Razor page, and now I will open it. This is the page that is opened, and now let us write a function